Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this 21 plate Audi A3 30 TFSI. So with it being the 30 model, it is a 1 litre turbocharged engine, and that gives a power output of 110 brake horsepower. The car itself is finished in Ibis White paintwork, and the specification of this car is massive. It's got the technology pack, which I'll run through some of the details on that shortly. But taking a closer look round in at the front, you've got the lovely LED daytime running lights with the LED headlights. You've got all the honeycomb detailing as well. Looking round here, it's all in a lovely gloss black finish, and then the chrome detailing for it. But taking a closer look at the bonnet, you can see it's free from any major stone chips or things like that. Coming then down the driver's side, we're riding on these lovely optional upgrade 18-inch 5 split spoke alloys, and they're finished in a lovely anthracite grey with a diamond turn finish, and riding on lovely tyres all round as well. You've got the S-Line detailing there on the wing, and as you can see the chrome detailing runs throughout around the window surrounds, and the lovely nice feature with this one, it's got privacy glass as well. Coming through to the rear, you have got front and rear parking sensors on this one, which is part of the technology pack. Same with the reversing camera, and the benefit of this car is it's got park assist as well, so it will help you parallel park or bay park. But taking a close look inside, with it being an Audi, you've got massive boot space on this. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats, parcel shelf is present, and then under the boot float you do have more extended storage space to fit a spare wheel if required yourself. And then you've got your towing eye cover and your tyre well inflation kit there, as well as the locking wheel nut. But taking a closer look at the back bumper, that's all in good order as well throughout. There's no signs of any hard usage or chips or things like that. But again, coming down the passenger side, you can see it's really lovely condition throughout. There's no signs of any dents or scrapes. All the door edges there in good order. No signs of been hitting walls or things like that. And again, with the alloys, they're all in lovely order as well, as you can see. But taking a closer look inside then there, I'll quickly show you through to the rear. With this car, you've got the full leather interior with a contrast white stitch. You've got arse fixed to the rear. 3 seat belts with comfortable seating for free, and then taking a close look at the backs of the seats, they're in really good condition. You can see they've not been kicked or bashed around, things like that. But quickly jumping inside and now we'll run through specification wise. You've got 4 electric windows, Powerfold electric heated mirrors, so they fold in when the car is locked. You've got your Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is part of the technology package as well. You've got these lovely chrome door sills which are illuminated at night. But quickly running inside then, through the specification wise, you've got auto lights on this one, again, which is a lovely nice feature. And then when you jump inside, it is a real sense of occasion. You're greeted with this lovely half leather perforated S-Line steering wheel, which is again is good order throughout. You've got the virtual cockpit, and obviously the nice touchscreen radio. But quickly running through then, as we're doing the video today, the car has only covered 31,566 miles, and then with a virtual cockpit you can edit the view on them just by clicking the view button here and scrolling through, so you can have it like this one, shows how much refuel, your devices, your telephone, and also the big satellite navigation screen, which again you can change throughout. You've got your indicator stalk here with lane keep assist on it. You've got your cruising limit control stalk here, your auto wipers. But again, it is really a sense of occasion. This car, it's got lovely chrome and aluminium detailing throughout. But running through to the multimedia screen, we'll quickly look through it. It is all touchscreen, so very easy to use. You've got your media here, which when we click on that at the top, it'll bring up there. If we click on source, you've got a USB device and Bluetooth audio as well. Running back through to home, you've got your Bluetooth telephone, your satellite navigation, which if we just click this button here will make it on the big screen. But quicker through, it is super quick and easy to use, very crystal clear. Your phone apps, which is your Apple Carplay, and then quickly rolling through is some of your purchases, and whether this is all when your phone's connected, you can go on the store and upgrade things for your car. But again, going on to the technology pack, it gives you the heated seat function and your parking assist there front and rear. So when we pop it into reverse gear, you've got your front and rear parking sensors and your reversing camera as well, which is part of the technology pack. And then if we click this button here, this is part of your park assist, so it'll help you find the parking space and where you need to park with effortless ease. But again, as we're doing the video today, both keys are present, and like I said, we're riding on this lovely 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got 2 USB inputs, but like I said, It is in really good condition throughout. There's no signs of any scratches on any of the centre console. The armrest is in good order, and again, taking a look at the passenger seat, that is all in good order as well. There's no signs of any rips or tears in the leather. But not a really nice car. It's just come into stock literally only yesterday. But like I said, taking a close look at the driver's seat again, all the bolsters, they're all in good order as well. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231123 or email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But be quick for this one, because like I said, it's probably one of the highest spec 21 plate Audis out there at the moment, with specification wise and the optional extra wheels. But many thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.